Remember when we all shared just one family computer? Yeah, the internet's kind of having the same issue. IPv4, or Internet Protocol version 4 addressing, which began in the 1980s, rocking a cool 4.3 billion addresses. Sounds a lot, right? Amazingly, you are wrong. IPv4 addresses look like this: 192.168.0.1. 4 numbers separated by dots, each ranging from 0 to 255. Annoyingly, there just weren't enough to go around as time progressed. So we invented NAT. Not that NAT, the other NAT, or network address translation. Basically, it's like giving 5 roommates one phone number and asking them to share. It worked, but it's ugly. So IP version 6 is the hero we need. Instead of 4 billion, it gives us 340 undecillion addresses. That's 340 followed by 36 zeros. Enough to give every grain of sand on Earth its own IP address. Twice. It's longer admittedly, and looks like a serial number made by a robot on drugs. But it means no more NAT hacks and room for the internet to grow. Hope you enjoyed this quick video from G-Man. Like, share, and subscribe today. Do it.